In example 2, we want to multiply a monomial by a trinomial. So that is, in each of these cases, we have a polynomial with a single term being multiplied by a polynomial with 3 terms. In cases like this, what we'll need to do is take that monomial out front and distribute it through each term of the trinomial. Meaning we'll end up with x times negative 9x squared plus x times 2x plus x times 3. So we're taking x times each term in that trinomial, and now we'll just combine exponents. So this will become negative 9x to the third plus 2x squared plus 3x. We'll do the same thing in part B. We'll take negative 2x times each term. So we'll have negative 2x times negative 10x squared plus negative 2x times x plus negative 2x times 9, which will give us positive 20x cubed minus 4x squared minus 18x. I'm sorry, let me go back. That should be just minus 2x squared in that middle term. Now we can write out this work as we're doing here, or once we get more comfortable with this, we can start to do this in fewer steps, though especially as you're early on with this content, it's a good idea to write that out, show that work along the way. But once we get a little more comfortable with this, we can see that this first term would be 6 times negative 7, which would be negative 42. And then we'd have x to the 5th times x squared. So that would become x to the 5 plus 2, or x to the 7th power. Then we would take 6 times negative 4 to get negative 24. And then x to the 5th times x would give us x to the 6th. And then plus 6 times 3 would give us 18. And then x to the 5th times, there is no other x there, so this would just be times x to the 5th. But again, writing out those individual steps like we did in parts A and B is a great thing to do, especially as you're getting started with this process and keeping track of all these different moving pieces.